And so I wrote this song here about hanging out on the river outside of Columbus, Montana, and it ended up being a song about gratitude and about the feeling that you feel when you see a shooting star or other sorts of natural phenomena. Wishing on a star, so silly. How often are they falling anyway? Saw one the other night in Montana, and I'm still thinking about it today. I was sitting on the banks of the Yellowstone River, where I laid my head for the night. I built myself a fire despite the wind's ire, and listened for a lesson in the moonlight. And I was sitting by my lonesome as far as I knew, playing this guitar, the one that I always do. And then a star fell, and my gratitude it swelled, and for a moment I felt like I've been held. So I made a little wish for you. I tell you, but it wouldn't come true. For if you see a star falling, it's just someone calling, someone who could use a wish too. Dreaming too, wishing there was someone alongside of you, and then a star fell, and your gratitude it swelled, and for a moment you felt like you'd been held. So you make a little wish for someone you once knew, someone who could use a dream come true. For if you see a star fall, then it's just someone calling, someone who could use a wish.